Welcome to Aiden. How can I help you today?
I just want to have a drink.
If you want something to drink, please scan this QR code.
Thank you.
Enjoy your drink.
Can you call someone?
Okay, I'll ask a staff member to call you right away. Wait a second, I'm sending the notification. Great. The notification has been sent. Someone will call you back soon.
Okay.
Try and click on the icons.
Okay.
A popular trip is to visit Drottningholm Palace. It's a beautiful royal residence just a short boat ride from the city center. Another favorite is a day tour to the archipelago, to experience Sweden's unique island landscape. You can also explore Gamla Stan, the old town, with its charming cobblestone streets and historic buildings. Skansen, the open-air museum and zoo, is another great choice for a day out, offering a glimpse into Swedish history and culture. Lastly, the Vasa Museum, where you can see the well-preserved 17th century warship, is a must-visit. Click on the icons for more information. Hi, how can I help you today?
I'm sorry, I lost my keys. Can you help me?
Of course. Let's start with step 1. Are you at the digital kiosk?
Yes. Exactly.
Perfect. First, select the check-in option on the screen. Do you see it?
Yes, thank you, buddy.
Great. Now, please enter your booking reference or last name to retrieve your reservation. Let me know if you need further assistance.
It's okay, buddy, thank you. Now I want to know where is the lift.
You're welcome. The lift is just behind me. Enjoy your stay.
And I want to have a breakfast.
The restaurant for breakfast is just on your left. Enjoy your meal.
When can I go to this restaurant?
Breakfast is served from 6:00 a.m. to 10:00 a.m. on weekdays, and from 6:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. on weekends. Enjoy.
And for dinner?
We don't serve dinner, but you can find light dishes and treats at our lobby shop. Enjoy.
Okay, so I prefer to go to jacuzzi.
For a jacuzzi, I recommend visiting a nearby wellness center or spa. Would you like help finding one?
You don't have any jacuzzi here?
Correct. We don't have a jacuzzi at the hotel. Can I assist you with anything else?
Okay, can you suggest some activities?
Sure. Are you interested in relaxation, sightseeing, outdoor activities, or dining options?
I'm with my children and I don't know what to do.
How about visiting family-friendly parks like Rålambshovsparken or Kronobergsparken? They're great for kids and offer plenty of space to play and relax.
Okay, buddy, do you have something to add?
You could also try a boat tour for a unique view of Stockholm or visit the charming streets of Stockholm Old Town. Both are fun for families.
Thank you, buddy.